I am the CEO of a local biotech company called Cancer Prevention Pharmaceuticals. We develop new drug therapies to treat precancerous conditions to prevent cancer.
I'm Alana Jacob. I'm 16. I'm a junior at South Point Catholic High School. I'm just currently getting ready for college, the next step in my life, and trying to focus on my studies. And service is also a big part of my life, which is part of the reason why I'm interested in support ITK.
I think we as individuals can't think of just ourselves. Ourselves grow, each of us grow, and we grow because of what we give and what we receive, and giving is such a big part of our own healing. And so I believe that service and the gift of giving is important to everybody.
The Jacobs family, as soon as I saw them getting involved, I could feel that they totally got ITK, that what was important to them was health and wellness and spirituality as a family, and then to extend those values into their work in ITK felt just perfect.
Well, in my business, we treat a disease, but what I love about ITK is they treat an entire family. When someone's sick, it's not just about that person, especially a child. It's about the entire family, the relationships between the siblings, the parents, the financial difficulties, the psychological difficulties, the physical challenges for everybody. And that's what's so special about ITK. They treat the entire family unit.
Jeff, I feel like he's one of those people that we get to have supporting not only his family, but ITK. I call him the wind beneath my butterfly wings.
Being at the Healing Retreat has really changed my outlook on life, I would say, and especially this past summer, with my little girl that I was taking care of, Ashlyn. She was 6 years old with cerebral palsy. It really touched me because she showed a lot of growth over just the 5 days. She learned a lot of new vocabulary, became a lot more verbal, and it was just really, really exciting for me to see her transformation and see what I could do, the potential I could have to influence her and make her life better.
It was perfect. Honestly, since the minute that we saw her and saw how they interacted and how she just grabbed her and held her hand and played with her. And really, after 5 minutes of seeing them together, me and Dan looked at each other, we're like, yeah, she's good. We're okay. This is going to be just fine, because she felt right.
I work with the children doing food and nutrition and movement, and also with the adults on food and wellness. And so through the retreats and seeing how beneficial the organization is as a whole, not just at the retreat and to all the entities that it encompasses, but to everyone that is touched, and it keeps on paying it forward. So I chose to get involved with the board to be able to help pay it forward.
Deborah came up to us and she introduced herself, and we already met her before, but we were kind of talking a little bit, and she brought up some almond milk. And Ashlyn loved it. And she's like, oh, you know what, I'll go back and get you some more. And she got Ashlyn this little cup, and she drinks almond milk now like every day, and she loves it. And she tries to say Deborah's name almost every day when she gets her almond milk. She tries to say Deborah. It's the funniest thing. She's like, Deborah? We're like, yeah, Deborah.
I always made time for service because it's very enriching. It enriches your life, and I think everybody needs a little bit of that. It can't be just about yourself. You need to go and help others, and it really affects you in a way that doing stuff for yourself can't.